Welcome, welcome, welcome to the home of Early Bird Special. We're an acoustic band playing good time folk, rock, and oldies music in and around Knoxville, Tennessee. Take a look around our website. If you'd like to know a bit about us personally and how we got together, check out the About Us page. We've been together since 2008, but two of us, Vern and Kelly, played folk music together as teenage boys in Chattanooga, Tennessee. Vern's on the far left in the newspaper photo. Kelly's on the far right. You may have noticed that their appearances have changed a bit since then. Now go to our song list page. Click on the links to hear some of the cuts off our CD entitled Over Easy and Slightly Toasted, like Hello Mary Lou.
I said hello Mary Lou, goodbye heart.
And Jesus is on the main line.
Now Jesus is on that main line. Tell him what you want.
Call or email if you'd like to order our CD. Kathy Huber, a New Jersey native, is the spark plug and arguably the most musically astute of us all. Just ask her. She's a full-time professional musician and vocal coach to aspiring performers. Other than that, the American Psychological Association has developed graduate courses delving into Kathy's brand of insanity. Steve Grimsley, that's me, is a native Ashevillean from North Carolina who bears the mark of a good-natured, laid-back baritone who loves good-time friends and music. Steve's mother, Elsie Ruth, laid the groundwork to his life as a musician with the purchase of that first guitar on his 13th birthday. Vern Lindsay, the man about town, is a celebrity in his own right, well known as the cable TV chef, patronizing and sampling the cuisine of local restaurants. Vern is the main piston in Early Bird Special's engine, getting most of the gigs, feeding the band regularly with his gourmet meals, furnishing the band with a rehearsal location, his basement, and providing the sound gear. Kelly Massey, Early Bird Special's boy tenor and bass player, hails from Chattanooga originally, just like his high school buddy Vern. Kelly spent most of his adult life in Texas raising 4 daughters, but now he's in East Tennessee, still playing his favorite music, folk music, in 2 bands no less, both Early Bird Special and the Mountain Folk Reunion. If it's folk music, Kelly loves it.
Know that.
Early Bird Special is going to have a great month of May. We have 5 great gigs this month. We are so pumped.
Good Lord.
Good Lord. What are you saying that for, Kelly?
We're going to make lots of money, right?
Yeah, tens of dollars. Tens of dollars.
Yeah.
So, Kelly, what do you think we ought to do tonight? You think we ought to kick Steve's butt again? Huh?
That's the one.
That's a good idea, don't you think? This is the entrance to where we practice once a week.
Yes.
45 weeks a year. Can you believe that?
Oh, my goodness.
Maybe not.
But who's counting?
Hey, Kathy.
Hi.
Hey, what have you been doing? Starbucking again? And I said it.
And put it on YouTube without telling me. In 3D. Ooh.
Yeah.
And air conditioned and all.
You're doing great, Kelly.
Yeah.
It's going to have 6 foot by 6 foot glass panels.
All right, now hand it to Kathy.
No.
It'll be made of glass. It'll be right in front of you, but don't forget you're the key. You're the key, Steve. Not the cheese.
First, you're
the key. Yes, I am the only one that's putting the stuff together for the whole concert. Yes, just so you want to know. Steve's taking pictures. Kathy's not here. Kelly's finishing off the coffee.
Aren't you done yet?
I'm almost done. Which stomach?
All these. They.
What's wrong with mine? For my guitars.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll get them closer to you.
We're trying to get it together.
So Sunday afternoon I drove through, and here's this thing, and I go through this huge thing going in. It says the King Ranch.
Oh.
And I didn't know it. This guy is the foreman for the King Ranch, and he's sitting in this little bar, Blue Jays, you know. And so we out there, and I drive up, and here they have a whole cow on a spit. And it's an entire cow on some kind of a rail up there. People are, and I drive up, and this guy comes running over to me like it was a long-lost relative. I said the Texans will give you the shirt off their back and, you know, whatever.
Oh, this is Kevin Wallace's brisket. He made this for me back last year, 4th of July, and I've had it in the freezer ever since, just for, and I'm going to show you the guys. Look at them.
We're ready to eat.
They're excited. They're going to give it a thumbs up, right?
And then when we touched the powder off, the gator lost his mind. Fired our guns and the British kept it coming. There wasn't as many as there was a while ago. Fired once more and they began running down the Mississippi to the Gulf of Mexico. Now they ran through the vines and they ran through the brambles and they ran through the bushes where a rabbit couldn't go. They ran so fast that the hounds couldn't catch them on down the Mississippi to the Gulf of Mexico. Up, 2, 3, 4. Where's that gator? We need another gator. Hey, bring me a Tim Tebow. How about it? That'd be a good gator. We'll stuff him and powder him. There's wonderful power in the blood. There is power, wondering power in the blood of the Lamb. There is power, wondering power in the precious blood of the Lamb. There is power, wondering power in the blood of the Lamb. There is power, wondering power in the precious blood of the Lamb. In the precious blood of the
He went to his mama, he bowed his head. He told his mama what his mama had said. His mama said,
Son, go man, go, because your papa ain't your papa, but your papa don't know.
shake the scandal in the family. Oh, woe me. Shake the scandal in the family.
Like I remember the 70s.
Like you, I remember the 70s. Kathy is one of these people that really did go to Woodstock.
That's right, and you know what? I never came back. But they still let me play with them anyway.
Lots of people say that.
And I'm that's true. And they're right.
All right. Oh my goodness. Can you do that to a mic and have it still work?
We'll see, won't we? Well, here, play with it.
You got any magic glue? Don't touch it again.
Song about San Francisco.
Who's been to San Francisco? Anybody out there? Oh, we got, Dungeness crabs, okay. The Zooland.
Well, ain't got nickel and I ain't got a lousy dime. If she don't come back, I think I'm gonna lose my mind. If she ever comes back to stay, it's gonna be another brand new day. Walking with my baby by the San Francisco Bay. Walking with my baby by the San Francisco Bay. I'm walking with my baby by the Frisco Bay. Having babies, 1, 2, 3, little Liza Jane. 2 for you and 1 for me, little Liza Jane. Then it's 4, let's have some more, little Liza Jane. Now it's 10, oh help us Lord, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. Oh, little Liza Jane. We have Vern Lindsay on my right. I'm Steve Grimsley. We got the beautiful and the voluptuous Kathy Huber to my left.
And the beautiful and voluptuous Kelly Massey.
And we are Early Bird Special. We've had a great time here tonight.
I didn't know that's my role.
Vern, I hear you're making silly